नमस्कार. झोका घे भरारी या महाराष्ट्रातील पहिल्या ॲपमध्ये मी संयोगिता तुमचे मनापासून स्वागत करते. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ द एक्झाम्पल्स विच इज रिलेटेड विथ द कम्प्लिटिंग ऍक्टिव्हिटी. म्हणजे आज आपण अशी एक्झाम्पल्स बघणार आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला फक्त ऍक्टिव्हिटी दिलेली असेल, म्हणजे काही रिकाम्या जागा असतील त्या तुम्हाला भरायच्या असतील. तर सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा आपण ती ऍक्टिव्हिटी लिहून घेऊ आणि मग ती सोडवू. हिअर वी हॅव मेन्शन अ ऍक्टिव्हिटी ऑन द बोर्ड. आता इथे बोर्डवरती आपल्या समोर ऍक्टिव्हिटी लिहिलेली आहे. ऍक्टिव्हिटी म्हणजे काय, तर इथे आपल्याला दिलेलं एक्झाम्पल हे स्टेप बाय स्टेप मॅनर मध्ये अखंड न सोडवता इथे आपल्याला फक्त रिकाम्या जागा भरायच्या आहेत. मीन्स वी हॅव टू फिल ओनली द फिल इन द ब्लँक्स ओव्हर देअर. व्हॉट आर द बॉक्सेस मेन्शन, यू हॅव टू जस्ट फिल दिस बॉक्सेस. टू डू दॅट दे विल गिव्ह यू द स्टेप्स. तिथे स्टेप्स तुम्हाला दिलेले असतील. जस्ट वी हॅव टू डू द सोल्युशन्स अँड विल फाइंड द आन्सर फॉर द पर्टिक्युलर थिंग्स. Now here, what is the example we'll see? 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. This is your equation number 1. Second equation it is 2x plus 3y is equals to 12. Now what they told you to do, we have to find the solution of the equation, that is your solution x and y. We have to find the value of x and y. To do that, they told you to do this first step, that is let's add the equation 1 and 2. Here we have mentioned like equation number 1 plus equation number 2. In of that, see here, by the elimination method, this plus 3y and minus 3y, they get cancelled. The value of it becomes 0. So, you have to do the addition of the rest one terms. Here, 5x plus 2x, the answer is 7. X is already mentioned out of the bracket, so inside you must write only 7. Now, on the aside side, 12 plus 9. What is the answer? 12 plus 9. 9 plus 2, that is 11. 1 here, 1 carried, that's 2. That is 21. Here we have completed 1 or 2 fill in the blanks. Now the next, what they told. See, x is given here and 7 is not there aside with this x. Now this 7 is shifted on the other side. It is in the form of 21 is there in the numerator and 7 is shifted on the other side in the form of division. हे 7 जे मल्टिप्लाय होते ते इकडच्या बाजूला डिव्हिजन फॉर्म मध्ये आलेले आहेत. Now just go on dividing. You will get the value for x. 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are 21. So here x is equals to 3. It is your answer. Now we received the value of x. म्हणजे आता आपल्याला त्या सोल्युशनची अर्धी स्टेप्स मिळालेली आहेत. Now we are going to put that value of x is equals to 3 in this equation. आता दिलेल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये आपल्याला x ची जी व्हॅल्यू 3 आहे ती इक्वेशन मध्ये इन्सर्ट करायची आहे. So here see they have kept the blank over the value of x. इथं जिथं x आहे ना त्याच्यासाठी त्यांनी रिकामी जागा ठेवली आहे. तिथं आपण किती लिहिणार आहे? करेक्ट. Here we are going to write 3. x 5 into 3 plus 3y which equals to 9. Now what they had done, see. The multiplication they have completed and what they did in the next step, this 9 minus the term which is written on the other side. जी दिलेली टर्म आहे आपण जो प्रॉडक्ट येणार आहे तो प्रॉडक्ट हा कुठे लिहिलाय? दुसऱ्या साईडला. पण इकडे तो प्लस असता, त्या बाजूला गेल्यावर तो काय बनला? करेक्ट. It becomes minus. So just do the multiplication of this and fill the box. 5 threes are 15. So here is 15. That 15 what it was plus here, it becomes minus on the that other side. Here we have to do the subtraction related with this term. 9 minus 15. What is the answer here? That is 6. But what will be the sign for this? See here, always you must give the sign of bigger number. So 15 is the bigger number, sign is minus. So here we must give the sign as minus 6 for this term. Understood this? Okay. Now just like the similar one, this 3 is multiplied over there. It will transport on the other side. It will become division. So what should be there in the numerator? That is minus 6. They get confused. They make confused to you. See 3 they have shifted already and they told you to write as it is the bracket downward side. Understood this? Now do the division. 3 2s are 6. So here you will get as minus 2 as the value of y. आता आपल्याला इथे काय मिळाली? y ची व्हॅल्यू that is minus 2. Let's complete the boxes. Solution of the equation is x and y. What is the value of x? It is 3. And what is the value of y? It is minus 2. So here is the solution of the equations. ह्या दोन इक्वेशनचं आपलं सोल्युशन काय आहे? तर that is 3, x is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 2. I hope you understood this example. Now we are going to see another one type of example in which there is a little bit change and which is very interesting. That example we are going to see in the next part. Now we are going to solve the simultaneous equations. What is the difference in this equations? आता ही मग आपण जे केले त्याप्रमाणेच simultaneous equations आहेत. ह्याच्यामध्ये थोडासा बदल. What is the change? See here. When we'll observe these two equation, जेव्हा आपण ही दिलेली दोन इक्वेशन्स बघू, काय दिले बघा इक्वेशन नंबर 1, that is 15x plus 17y is equals to 21. And in the second equation, 17x plus 15y is equals to 11. Now what is the change in this and what is the same thing you will see in this? See, आता ह्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला असं दिसतंय की हा जो xच्या बाजूचा जो कोएफिशियंट आहे that is similar to the y. Okay, and the term which is related with this y which is same related with this x. It is interchange. ती इकडे तिकडे हलवल्यासारखी दिसते. Now how to solve this type of simultaneous equations then? मग ही equations कुठल्या पद्धतीने solve करायची? We have two methods. That one is elimination method and second one is substitution method. But it is too much complicated if we are using it together. ह्या दोन्हीपैकी कुठली तरी एक मेथड आपण जर वापरायला गेलो पटकन तर हे एक्झाम्पल सोडवायसाठी थोडासा वेळ लागेल. Then what is the simple way to solve this example? Here is a simple way to solve this equation. What is that? You will do the two equations you will prepare by adding this equation and by subtracting these equations. म्हणजे ही दिलेली इक्वेशन एकदा ऍड करायची आणि एकदा सबट्रॅक्ट करायची. मग तुम्हाला सोपी अशी दोन छोटीशी इक्वेशन्स मिळतील. ती दोन इक्वेशन सॉल्व्ह केली तर तुम्हाला एक्स आणि वाय ची व्हॅल्यू पटकन मिळून जाईल रादर दॅन युजिंग द बिग टेक्निक टू सॉल्व्ह दिस एक्झाम्पल्स. Now what is that method? First of all, you have to do the addition of given equations. सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला काय करायचं तर दिलेली जी दोन इक्वेशन्स आहेत त्यांची आपल्याला ऍडिशन करायची आहे. So let us start to do this. Let us add equation number 1 and 2. Here we are going to add the equation number 1 and 2. Let us write this 15x plus 17y which equals to 21 plus 17x plus 15y which equals to 11. Let us do the addition of the terms. आता ह्या टर्म्स ची ऍडिशन करा. 15 plus 17 that is 32. 32x again 17 plus 15 that is 32. 32y and which equals to 21 plus 11 that is again 32. Okay, now see here what is the simple thing here. We have found a common number which is 32 in all three terms. Now what we will do? Here we are going to divide this 32 by 32 to each of the term. आता आपण इथे काय करणार आहे की प्रत्येक टर्मला 32 नी डिवाइड करून घेणार आहे. 32 ने डिवाइड केलं तर तुम्हाला काय मिळेल बघा. डिवाइडिंग बाय 32 you will get a simplest example. तुम्हाला एक तर सोपं एक्झाम्पल मिळेल, इक्वेशन मिळेल. बघा इक्वेशन काय आहे. ह्याला 32 गेले, इकडे राहिला फक्त x प्लस अगेन फ्रॉम दिस 32 has been vanished. You will get here y and here 32 divided by 32 that is 1. After this after the division you will get a simple equation that is x plus y is equals to 1. We'll give this label as equation number 3. आपल्यासाठी हे इक्वेशन काय बनेल? इक्वेशन नंबर 3. Now what we have to do? What is the second step? That we have to do the subtraction of these two equations. आता आपल्याला ह्या दोन इक्वेशनचं काय करायचंय? सबट्रॅक्शन करायचंय. But while doing, I'll just interchange the term. Instead of 1 and 2, I'll subtract equation number 1 from 2. मी इक्वेशन नंबर 2 मधून हे इक्वेशन नंबर 1 हे काय करेन? सबट्रॅक्ट करेन. Let us start to do this example. See here, subtracting equation 2 from 1. We are going to subtract this equation number 2 from equation number 1. See, let us write here. First of all, we'll write equation number 1 that is 15x plus 17y which equals to 21 which has been subtracted. Which term we are going to subtract? The other one that is 17x plus 15y which equals to 11. Now, whenever there is a subtraction, you know the change. What is the change? The signs of the terms as always changes. दिलेल्या नंबरच्या ज्या काय असतात साइन्स बदलतात. So here 17 was plus, it will become minus. This is plus, it will become minus. This is plus, it will become minus. This is keep in mind. You must give the sign so टू अवॉइड युअर मिस्टेक्स. आपल्या मिस्टेक्स अवॉइड करण्यासाठी हे कंपल्सरी देत चला. हिअर लेट अस डू द सबट्रॅक्शन. 15 minus 17. What is the answer? That is 2. 2x. Keep in mind that sign of the bigger number should be always given to the number of the answer. That is, bigger number is 17, so sign is minus to this 2x. Here, plus minus, again minus, 17 minus 15, here is 2y. The sign of bigger number, so it is plus 2y, which equals to again. Now do the subtraction on the other side. 1 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 1, that is 1, and sign of bigger number, that is plus. So here the resultant you will get as 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. Now divide each term by 2. आता प्रत्येकाला 2 ने डिवाइड करून घेऊ आणि सोपं इक्वेशन मिळवू. व्हॉट इज दॅट? सी, इथे 2 ने डिवाइड केलं, यू विल गेट हिअर मायनस एक्स प्लस वाय विच इक्वल्स टू 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, दॅट इज 5. This is your equation number 4. Now we have received two simple equations, that is x plus y which equals to 1 and x minus y is equals to 5. Now we have to solve this equation. आता आपल्याला ही इक्वेशन पटकन सॉल्व करता येतील की नाही? करेक्ट, ही इझी आहे. आता जर मी ह्या दोघांना ऍडिशन केलं तर x टर्म एलिमिनेट होऊन जाईल. बाय द एलिमिनेशन आय विल रिसीव द व्हॅल्यू फॉर y and I will put in any of the equation, I will get the value of x. समजते का? तर मग आता आपण काय करू? Let us do the addition of equation number 3 and equation number 4. Adding equation 3 and 4, what is the results here? X plus y which equals to 1 and minus x plus y which equals to 5. Here we are going to do addition, so there are no changes in the sign. Plus and minus, they will get cancelled, it becomes 0. The x is eliminated. What is remain here? 2y which equals to 6. Therefore, y is equals to 6 divided by 2, y is equals to 3. We have received that y is equals to 3 as a one term. आता आपल्याला एक व्हॅल्यू ऑलरेडी मिळालेली आहे. You can put in any of the equation to find the value of x in between 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ह्यातल्या कुठल्याही इक्वेशन मध्ये आपण ही व्हॅल्यू घालून आपण x ची व्हॅल्यू मिळवू शकतो. So let us put that equation. Let us put the value of y is equals to 3 in equation number 1. Okay. Therefore, putting this value in equation number 3. What is that equation here? X plus y which equals to 1. We are going to write instead of y there is 3. So x plus 3 is equals to 1. X is equals to 1. Now this 3 is shifted on the other side. It will become minus. So 3 minus 3. X is equals to 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. We have received now the both value. See here, y is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 2. This is the solution of the equation. Therefore, solution of the equation is, what is the solutions here? X comma y which equals to, here what is the value of x? It is minus 2 and y is equals to 3. I hope you understood this example very well. मला वाटते की तुम्हाला हे एक्झाम्पल चांगल्या पद्धतीने समजलं असेलच. हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला असेलच. हे एक्झाम्पल आणि आपण सोडवलेली आधीची एक्झाम्पल्स पुन्हा पहा, अधिक जाणून घ्या आणि झोका सोबत शिकत राहा.